This right here is a flamethrower hooked up to a propane tank. Check this out. So today we're going to use a flamethrower for appliance repair. How do you clean an oven with a flamethrower? Stay tuned. I'm in the country, so you know we're going to do some fire stuff. So I have a customer that took out these 3 oven racks from the oven and supposedly put it on top of the stove, and a bunch of plastic melted onto them. They said they had some type of plastic tablecloth. It looks more like they put Tupperware in the oven and it melted, but I don't judge. I'm just here to fix it. So this jizzy-like substance is plastic. So I bought this little flamethrower for 60 bucks, and we're throwing flames. We tried everything we could, and nothing worked. So we've escalated to flamethrower. This thing gets extremely hot, as you can imagine. It's a flamethrower, so yes, it gets hot. Now you want to stand back and you want to do like a nice even heat and go side to side and go back and forth. I have plastic all over mine, but this did a great job on the built up grease. You could probably use easy off, because at the end of this we used some easy off and the grease just like came right off. It was very easy, as says the name. Now, I usually don't advocate using easy off inside the oven, but outside like this is pretty good. And if you have a flamethrower, it's even better. So heat up the rack with the flamethrower, spray the easy off, and then all that grease comes off. I'm going to show you before and after. But right here, I'm just trying to melt off that plastic. The plastic turned into ashes, and then I hit it with a steel wool brush. And you can see that the wire brush just erases all that black stuff. That black stuff is the plastic and the grease that was all built on. The flamethrower little torch thing turned it into like ash, and then it was very easy just to polish right back to brand new. The reason we're doing this instead of replacing them is that the oven rack in this oven was discontinued, so they couldn't replace it. So imagine throwing out your oven because the oven racks are no good. It's insane. So yeah, I figured I'd put some elbow grease in here, and I get to play with a flamethrower in the process. And save his oven. So if anybody has any questions, leave them down in the comments. This flamethrower works on burning grass, anything you want. It just gets rid of it. It turns everything that's baked on into ashes, and then you can just wire brush it away. So I'm gonna hit that again. I don't know if you believe me, but this is really hot. It's very, very hot. Be careful with this. That was very hot, and this is the after. All right, guys, so look at this beautiful oven grate. It's clean, back to original. Some of that is grease, and some of that is the plastic coating. Your grates cannot be this bad. And if they are, or a little bit worse, feel free to try this method. Do it outdoors, and be careful with your surroundings. Appliance Repair has really cool tools. Like and subscribe for more. Thank you.